could relate? We play for high stakes at gunpoint, catch 'em and break, undress 'em time with tape, no escape. The Corleone, Fettuccine, Capone, roam in your own zone to get kidnapped and clapped in your dome. We got it sewn. The firm are the wars unknown. Lower your tone, face it. Homicide cases get thrown. Aristocrats, politic and deli with diplomats. See me, I'm an official Mac Lex Coupe.
Criminal thoughts in the reports. My destiny's to be the Newport. A nigga poorly gotta die too short. That nigga's dead on. That Kia Heron. They found his head on the couch with his dick in his mouth. I put the hit out. Yo, the smoothest killer since Bugsy. Bitches love me. And Queens where my drugs be. I wear Guess jeans and rugbies. Yo, my people from Medina, they will see you when you re-up, bring your heater or your cream goes between us. Real shit. My Desert Eagle got an ill grip. I chill with niggas that hit Dominican spots and still bricks. My red beam made a dread scream and spray the Fed team. Corleone be turning niggas to fiends. Yukons and Ninja Black Lexus. Mega the pretty boy with mafia connections. It's